friends, this is Kelsey, and welcome to my new daily series that I'm using as an accountability to clear up the eczema patch on my hand. So, I have cleared it up twice in the last 2 months, and I've realized that I keep scratching it absently while making content. So, here we are, holding ourselves accountable for clearing up the eczema patch on my hand. The girls at the henna table agreed that every time you clear it up, you can't keep scratching it. So, you know, it's a general consensus that this needs to get cleared up. Pork allergies are not fun. I don't recommend them. But also don't scratch. So when you do break out in hives, don't scratch it. Pro tip. Anyways, so I will be using this today, Lavender Moon body lotion. The thing is, my mom told me to put coconut oil on it. She's probably not wrong. She's like, just put coconut oil on it every day. And I'm like, that's a good idea. But I also just had that right there, so I grabbed it. That's what it was. So, Lavender Rose Chamomile Pacifica Lavender Moon body lotion. They are a local Portland company, made in Portland. Yeah. So, I put lotion on. You're watching me. And then I thought we could turn this into a daily beauty influencer check-in thing. Okay. So we're going to turn this into a daily check-in. I want to say until the eczema patch is cleared up on my hand, but let's be honest, it'll probably go much longer than that because this is a new series. So, that's where I'm at with it, and that's what we're doing now. Because I need accountability, and being someone that uses Instagram as my manifesting tool and my accountability partner, you guys now get to hold me accountable. So if you don't see a video by some point every day about me doing some sort of beauty influencing, you should comment or DM me and tell me. So hold me accountable, guys. Hold me accountable, because I don't want eczema on my hands. It hurts. Okay. This is another reminder to take your vitamins. Okay. And Ipsy came. So let's go through that together. This is another one of those weird ceramidin masks. Just gonna put that over there. It's the one I wore on New Year's. Okay. Hairspray! I need this. Well, that's going in the travel bag. And Ruby Rose lip oil. So cute! Misho. It's in bubble wrap. Mini eyeshadow palette. Ooh. So cute! It matches my hairband. Okay. Well, this may be the summer palette. So cute. The colors are left to right, Worthy Sand, Tan, Stone, Smoke. So I think that Worthy Sand, Tan, Stone, Smoke. And considering that we are manifesting a Mexico trip, I feel like this is Worthy Sand, Tan, Stone, Smoke signals. Okay. And I'm trading body lotion. Yes, I'm excited because we're just gonna put this on right now. I had a feeling there was going to be body hand lotion in this bag, and I was right. So turns out everybody is in agreement that I need to clear this up off my hands. Yeah. Ooh, it smells fancy. I feel fancier already. I feel like I'm one step closer to my Mexico vacation, so. Oh, it smells like a spa, or also moringa, so it kind of smells like moringa. I don't think there's moringa in here, but it smells like it. There's a lot of good things in here. Rosemary, aloe, sunflower, rice water, jojoba, bakuri. Yeah, this is nice. It smells like a spa, basically, and I'm here for that, so. Yes, very nice, very nice, very nice. Ah, my mehndi looks so beautiful. I love when friends get matching mehndi. That's such a vibe. Okay. This was the April bag. Okay. It has a pearl on it. Oh, usually these bags come with like a Ipsy charm. This one has a pearl on it. I love that so much, so much, so much. Fits the vibe. Look, it matches my earrings. Ah! And I've decided that for these videos, I'm gonna wear a different little cute little hairband thingy, and a different jewelry set. So, we're just gonna go for it because just do it, baby. So, pot of the day, hibiscus almond, because that's what I grabbed. And scent of the day, we're doing Amber by Nemat. This one I've gotten so many positive compliments on. I've had this on my to-buy list forever, and I'm just grateful it magically appeared one day, so. Yeah. I'm gonna try the new lip oil. That's what we're gonna do. Except that I've always told myself this, never open anything with lotion hands. That's why I have tweezers so close by, is because the tweezers do wonders. That's my secret to life, is having forceps. And foresight. Forceps and foresight. So, okay. Ruby Rose Lip Oil. Lip oil watermelon. Wait, what? It's watermelon! Oh. Oh. What? Ruby Rose watermelon lip oil? Oh my god! What? Apply the product evenly to your lips until you get the desired effect. Well, I think we have the Hot Girl Summer Hot Girl Kit with the big sexy hair spray. So welcome to my new daily series. Remember to live life joyfully, and I love you. Toodles!